Hi everyone, nice you're here. Today I would like to share a pesto recipe. Instead of using a blender, we're going to use mortar. Despite manual work, I think the time and effort spent is very well worth it. The taste was so great, I think it is one of the best pesto that I've ever made. For this recipe, we need simple but fresh and quality ingredients. Fresh basil leaves, roasted pine seeds, garlic, sea salt, Parmesan cheese, and extra virgin olive oil. We start with putting the garlic into the mortar and add some sea salt and start grinding. Once the garlic is grinded into a paste, we can start to add slowly our roasted pine seeds. The key to the success of this recipe is centered around the correct technique on how to extract the maximum flavor and essence oil from the ingredients. Once we have added all the pine seeds into the mortar and grinded them into a smooth paste, we can start slowly add little by little the basil leaves. The correct technique move should be using your wrist, use smooth circling motion movement. Although it is very hard work, I have to admit it is quite interesting, or it's quite fun to grind. So it is actually quite easy to get overly enthusiastic about grinding. But we should make sure that while holding the pesto, we should make sure that we don't smash or hammer the pesto against the bottom of the mortar. So don't smash it, but gently grind. Once the garlic paste and basil leaves are well mixed and grinded into a smooth creamy paste, we can start to add Parmesan cheese, again little by little. Continuously use our wrist to generate a smooth circling motion, and the goal is to make sure that the pesto paste is going to be very smooth. Once we have reached the desired consistency or creamy structure, it is time to add little by little our extra virgin olive oil.
Hard work.
For the end result, we want our pesto to be as smooth silk, just like this. Very creamy. I think I'm happy with the structure now. Now you can drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to seal the pesto to prevent it from oxidization. Although it took longer than using a blender or mixer, this recipe tastes really super delicious. I hope you get the time and opportunity to try it and taste it yourself. Thank you for watching.